Oh, hey guys, I'm here on QE Street. It's the East Oregon district. I live right over yonder. East Oregon's called that because back this way a couple blocks is the Oregon district proper, and developers want to get in on the money. This is Central Post Office mail sorting facility for Dayton area. The Oregon district itself, I think in 2010 census had about a little bit over 2,000 people. It's pushing 5 as of 2018. And the amount of construction that's been going on down here, within 2-3 years will probably be at 8,000 or 9,000. And so developers want to push further east into St. Anne's Hill because it actually has a lot going for it. It was the area I made a video around the election time with boarded up houses, but it has coffee shops, a brew pub. It has a lot of potential, but people have to cross this 7 lanes. A lot of times, if I go to work in the morning, rush hour, I see people trying to cross this. It's scary, especially poor black people. People that want to work downtown or need to get to school or their job, maybe at a warehouse out there, they have to cross this. Did you know that 50% more Americans are killed as pedestrians hit by cars than die in car crashes? This is the thing that nobody wants to talk about. We try to make roads safe for cars, and in doing so, we're making them more and more dangerous for people who have to walk or want to walk. So the city of Dayton's doing this. Here and all around downtown, they're removing a lane. That middle lane will probably become a median. And then the right lane, the lanes against the curb on either side will become a bike lane. It reduced the number of cars, the carrying capacity of the road in theory, but that's fine because I've gone 55 on the street and had people blow past me. I can't go that fast in good conscience anymore, 55, but people go faster than that. I'm surprised more people aren't killed down here. So Dayton has taken upon itself to use its own money and a little bit of state money to rebuild its streets downtown, to get away from the car-centric attitude. I just wanted to show you this. I think it's a great thing. It will make the town look way better. It'll be way more pleasant to live in, and it will allow what's starting to happen in the Oregon district to spread through downtown and into the surrounding neighborhoods. Happy 4th, everyone. I'll holler at you later.